The primary reason for it to happen is erosion. Water is the most powerful thing in the world. It shaped the world we live on. So drainage issues from your roof, not having gutters, water running off your driveway, your sidewalks, getting in between the joints, causing erosion under the slabs. That causes it to crack. Sandy soils that don't have the ability to have the compaction to hold the weight of the concrete. The age of the concrete as well. Another thing that causes concrete to crack is adding additional weight to the concrete. If you have a big truck come in or dumpster when you're doing your roof, usually cracks the concrete or at least makes it drop. Some people like to add pavers to the driveway as well. After the settlement happens, that's adding additional weight as well. It causes further settlement, so our product is good for compacting the soils to be able to hold that weight so it doesn't continue to fail. Yes, I think replacing it can go upwards of $30 a square foot, especially if they have to remove it. It's definitely cheaper, and it's a lot less invasive, and you can drive on it within 24 hours versus waiting 30 days for it to cure. Anywhere that you have runoff from your roof, walkways, driveways, pool decks, any concrete slab that's exposed, you start seeing crack, you start to settle. That's your first line of defense, is to catch it earlier, the better. Generally, our jobs take about 2 to 6 hours, usually less than a day. We can do multiple projects a day if possible, but yeah, it's pretty quick. Polylevel is a 2-part polyurethane foam. It expands, inject it through a hole about the size of a pencil, and as it expands, it fills any voids that are there, compacting the soils that are there, and it has the strength to hold the weight. If you have any tripping hazards you're trying to get rid of, that's going to lift the concrete back even, so you're not worrying about guests coming over or family tripping and hurting themselves. The cure is in 15 minutes, so you can drive on it as soon as we're done. Then if we add any crack repair or joint repair, that usually takes 4 hours to cure. It's a pretty quick process and doesn't invade in anybody's schedules. It's nice.